All right, here we're doing the front brakes on a 2012 Mustang. You're gonna break these caliper bolts. You got two caliper bolts. See what got. Lord, remove the caliper bolts, and I'm gonna pull the caliper in the middle like this to loosen it. Let me pull it up off of here. Okay, we're gonna remove the pad. Let me get me my screwdriver here to help me. Yeah, that's one's pretty low right here. Front one right there. Front one need a replacement. We're gonna check the brake pins. Smooth, pretty good. Spring it out right. Our brake kit came with the hardware, so we're gonna replace the hardware. Yeah, just like that, just snaps right in. Notice I'm putting it back on first, then snapping it down. There we go. See, it's got little corners on them so you could bend them and keep them from sliding right there. We had an extra one. Okay, that's in there. Okay, our pads. Our pads is red is the inner. Pads got the springs on. Okay. There we go. There we go. It's fighting me a little bit. Okay. Blue to the front, red to the back. It's a little more difficult because make sure that's okay. There we go. Okay, now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take this old pad and our C-clamps. We have a caliper compression tool, but it's just easier using a C-clamp when you got dual piston. Calipers. Like you need another hand now, huh? And it twists the caliper right in. Twist the pistons of the caliper. We're gonna twist them right in. You're doing something. Okay, see the caliper all the way in. Okay, we're gonna break this back loose. Okay, take our old pad out. Now, simply ready to sit that rascal right on track. Yes, it's about brake pad has springs on it. You're gonna have to work with it a little bit. When you put the caliper bolts in, you want to get them started by hand and get a few turns by hand to make sure it's not cross-threaded. The torque specs is like 23 to 25 pounds. We got our torque wrench set for 25 pounds. We 12 millimeter bolt. So we're gonna torque the bottom here. 25 pounds. As you see, 25 pounds ain't much. There we go. I'm trying to work to the side across the camera. Okay. Got the torque on torque specs. Got it. I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna mash the brakes a few times to engage the caliper. That should be good. Caliper should be all the way back out. Gonna install the tire and torque the tire on 100 pounds of torque. And that's front disc brakes on a 2012 Mustang. Thanks.